And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. National champion Malik James King is in line to make his Diamond League debut after being confirmed for the Paris meeting on a Sunday. James King is one of only 2 Jamaicans down to compete in Paris as the nation's athletes continue their build-up to this summer's Olympic Games in the French city.
A week after booking his spot to his first Olympic Games, 400-meter hurdler Malik James King is in line to make his Diamond League debut coincidentally at the Paris meet on Sunday. James King, who broke the 50-second barrier for the first time in 2021, has been having the season of his life, which was further highlighted by winning the national title. He produced one of the surprises of the National Senior Athletics Championships when he ran a personal best 47.42 seconds to win the men's 400-meter hurdles at the National Stadium. The time ranks him as the second fastest Jamaican all-time in the event and also secured him a place to the Olympic Games in Paris.
I guess hard work, training. I had an amazing support team coming in this year, and it helped me out a lot. So I was actually ready mentally, so it was just to get the body ready physically.
Sunday's test, however, will be a different one for James King, who will come up against a quality field which includes 2022 world champion Alison Dos Santos. He enters the contest, however, as the second fastest this season behind the Brazilian. National record holder Lamara Distin is the other Jamaican set to compete at the Paris meet when she contests the women's high jump. Meanwhile, after throwing a season's best 19.32 meters to another national title a week ago, Danielle Thomas-Dodd will contest her 17th meet of the season as she's the only Jamaican listed for the FBK Games in Hengelo on Sunday. Thomas-Dodd will continue her preparation for the Olympic Games at the World Athletics Continental Tour Gold Meet in the Dutch city.
It's definitely a huge confidence booster. We've been trying to piece the puzzle together for going into the Olympics. I think we're a little bit closer. Those 2 big competitions definitely help with giving me the confidence that I need to compete with the big dogs.
Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports. Fast.